Hi, I am Sarah and today I am going to show to make a raspberry shake and my mother will help me. You can also do it with your parents if they are very young. Let's start.
Ingredients: oats, milk almond, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries.
First, we are going to cut the red fruit. After we have the cut, we are going to put the oats and almond. First, we are going to liquid in an optional ice, and that show we have a delicious red fruit milkshake. Bye.